Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make these mini bags. You can also use it as containers. So let's make it. So fold this paper from its side, flip it and again fold it from its corners. Now we are going to make mini folds and pull the paper upwards like this and again fold it from its side. Gently open it using your fingers. Now it's done. After this we're going to fold the top paper and make the handle, and look, your bags are ready. Look at these beautiful crowns. Let's make it. So we are going to fold this paper. First fold it into half and again make two folds and pull the paper downwards. We need the sparkling side. Here we are going to make the different pleats of the crown. So gently open it like this, press it, decorate it using pearls and stars, and look, your crown is ready. In this video, we're going to make this heart-shaped clipper, or you can say bookmark. So let's get started. First, we are going to fold this printed craft paper like this. Again, fold it and pull it downwards where envelope is ready. Now we are going to make the heart shape. After that, take another piece of paper, make multiple folds. We are going to make the heart shape. So flip it and tuck it inside, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful heart with bow shape. So we are going to fold this printed craft paper, fold it into half, again press it like this and pull the paper downwards like this, make multiple folds. Here we are going to make the heart shape, flip it. Now we are making the bow shape at the center. So we are going to fold it and press the paper, and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful bracelets. Let's make it. For that we are going to fold this. Now we are going to make multiple pleats like this from one corner and do the same from other side as well. Tuck it inside, make a ring, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.